Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, after how many months ngayon ang nakapag-vlog. So, with me, my Inaon, Kasim Inaon, and also my two colleagues from our department. So, andito po kami ngayon sa, saan na tayo? Aring kita na?
Lubigan.
Panubigan. I forgot the name of the resort, pero later on I will tell you. So, ngayon, hindi na tayo magpatagal pa. So, arat na! Masyadong yung mga kasama namin there. So ayan, after how many months ngayon na tayo makapag-vlog ulit. So ngayon lang nakapag-travel ulit, medyo malayo-layo. So andito tayo ngayon ulit sa Panubigan. So actually from the left side ba yun no? Left side is Lubigan. Left side of the Panubigan is Lubigan. Hi! Ma'am La and Ma'am Villa, say hi to my vlog.
Hello!
Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit. So ayan yung mga mga magaganda kong kasama, Ma'am Lala and Ma'am Villa.
Hi!
Nauna na sila. Ma'am, saan tayo ma'am?
Yun. Yung may towel nilagay.
Ayan, okay. So dito.
Akala ko sa may coffee. May coffee. Ayun o, may coffee, may thermos.
So, ayan. So, nag-rent kami ng cottage. Doon sila. Naon, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay with my coffee.
So, we have here our foods. So, we also bought junk foods, fudgy bars, and bottled water, including Pepsi also. So, si Inaon, nagutom siya. Kaya hindi pa nakapag-breakfast. So, ganda ng view. Highly recommended siya sa mga may service. Pero pag wala kayong service, medyo mahirapan kayo. So, over there is the pond. Pond, Inaon, fish pond, no? Dito parte. So, the beautiful view of the resort of Panubigan. Hi again! Welcome to our vlog!
Yes.
So, Anihron Vlogs. Anyway, andito po kami ngayon sa Panubigan. Anong resort pa ito, Ma'am La?
Gulangan Resort.
Okay, Gulangan Resort. Ang daming, actually, it's a Muslim area. So,
And
napakaganda.
exclusively, we are in the place. No one is around except us. So
True.
we get to enjoy all the
Yes.
amenities here.
The amenities. Ang ganda ng ambience ng resort.
Correct.
So, di na kami magpatumpik-tumpik pa. So, tarat na! Alik na. O yan, nasa ano kami o. So, the food is already set. Yeah.
Ako may basa ako to.
Basta ako, mamla, go ako. Sige lang, tagatingin lang ako.
Ito ang maganda.
We have chickens, fried chickens. Ano to, ma'am? Boiled, banana, the rice, bottled water, spaghetti, and the junk foods. Of course, the fruits prepared by Ma'am Hes.
And our Pepsi.
The beautiful and the mini mosque of the Bulangan Beach Resort. Okay, located in Panubigan, Zamboanga City. So with me is my auntie Inaon. You say hi. Okay, so we will start. So as you can see, they have here the long carpet. So time check, it's already 12:5. 12:05. Okay, so we will have to pray na already. Then after that, paganda ng carpet, ng long carpet nila, and maaliwalas ang kanilang mosque. Okay. So, I'm gonna pray muna and balikan lang kayo. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so arrival from the 11 Islands. Welcome back to school. Welcome back to, ano to? Nakalimutan, Gulangan Beach Resort. Okay, so medyo mahaba-haba ang travel namin from there going here. From there going here. Nakita niyo yun sa dulo ng island na yun. Doon po kami galing.
Galing pa doon pa yung may white.
Yes. Pati doon yung sa dulo talaga. Galing pa po kami doon. So andito po. Ito po yung sinakyan naming bangka.
Ang captain namin si Ma'am Cassie.
Yes, at ito po yung captain namin. Kaya naka-white yan siya. Kasi ano yan siya before. Retired. Ano ba yan? Navy.
Retired seaman.
Retired seaman yan. Kaya naka-white siya. Siya yung general. Okay, so sige. Lakad-lakad tayo. Medyo napagod kami sa pag-husay. Oo.
Kunti man si Otro.
So, mamaya niyan, medyo pagod-pagod na yan kami. Dito, Bien Frio. Presko. Alam mo, baka pwede tayo dito ano takal?
Sa ano ka
Onde kita. Explore the islands, the different islands, the 11 islands. So together with me, my colleagues, Inaon, so we have our life desk. So let's explore the 11 islands from Mamlo. So the island hopping.
Yes.
Mamla, what can you say?
This is one of the best adventure that we will take. And so happy to be here with our colleagues, Ma'am Tess and Ma'am Cassie and Ma'am Moore.
Okay, so what about you, Ma'am Vilya?
Well, excited.
Excited. And yung Inaon, excited also.
Yes, of course.
Excited and happy.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Okay, so yan.
Okay,
Ayan na. Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh, we are here in Baong Baong Island. Baong Baong? Oh, this is a driver. Ala, ulan na. Oh, hello. Hi. Ay, maulan na siya. Okay, tayo muna for na. Enjoy sila. Maulan. Picture tayo ng banda.
One eternity later.
Mamla, i-video ko. Yeah, andun pala. Later na.